Hey, it's David. Welcome to Cross Fitness, helping you get in the best spiritual shape of your life, one workout at a time. So I got a thought for you out on my run here this morning. It's Saturday when I'm filming this. I just got a little 7.5 mile loop. So I stopped to make this video for you because as I was running, man, it's such a wonderful time just to think and meditate on the Lord. I spend the first 5K just praying and listening to God. And then I listened to an ebook on the way back. But I was just thinking, about the Lord, about us having full access to God. Okay, you see, in the Old Testament, it never was that way. I'm out here running and just communing with God and just enjoying His presence. But in the Old Testament, man, it wasn't like that at all. You see, a guy like me couldn't go in, okay, because I'm a Gentile, but only a Jew could go in. Not just any Jew. You couldn't be a female Jew, you had to be a male Jew. And not just any male Jew, you had to be between 20 and 50 years of age to get in the presence of God. And not just any tribe, you had to be, 11 tribes didn't count, you had to be the tribe of Levi, right? And then not just any Levi, you had to be a descendant of Aaron to be not just any priest, but a high priest, right? Okay? And then the high priest could only get into the presence of God one time a year on the Day of Atonement, okay? And he had to go in a certain way, he had to dress a certain way. He had to go to the bronze altar with the sacrifice, the bronze laver, and cleanse himself. Then he had to go into the holy place. On the right was the table of showbread. On the left was the golden lampstand, the menorah, and straight ahead was the golden altar of incense. But even then, he wasn't in the presence of God fully. He had to go into the Holy of Holies. And he had to have blood, okay, with him, and incense, symbolizing the prayers of the people. And then he would go in, and there was the Ark of the Covenant, and over that was the Shekinah glory of God, a physical representation of the manifestation of the great God Jehovah. Okay? This was Old Testament stuff, but as I was running this morning, I was just thinking how I'm enjoying the presence of God in this run, and how now, when Jesus on the cross said tetelestai, or it is finished, a business transaction finished, okay? He said, it is finished, the work was done, and the veil was split in the temple from the top to the bottom, and no longer are you and I separated by all those things I just mentioned from God, but you and I now can come boldly to the throne of grace to obtain mercy and help in time of need. We can come to God all day, any day, every second of every minute of every hour of every day of every week of every month of every quarter of every year of every decade, from now till you and I come into the presence of God physically through death or the rapture of the church. I'm telling you, you and I have full access to God thanks to Jesus Christ and His redemptive work on the cross. So I just want to leave this thought with you today as you go into your day. I know you're going to face hard stuff at work or school or in your family, in your body, or loved ones not feeling well, and all of that. Look, it's a fallen, broken world. The planet is broken because of sin. But God is with you, God is for you, and God is in you, and you have full access to come to the throne of grace to obtain mercy and help in time of need. I hope that encourages you, man. All right, forgive my sweaty-fidus, but I'm going to get back to running. I'll see you next video. For now, I'm David, your virtual mentor, reminding you that I'm always for you. I am never against you. See you next time.